Welcome to another quick 3-minute furniture flip where we're going to take this Balinese coffee table and create a one-of-a-kind design. I often come across this Balinese furniture on Facebook Marketplace and sometimes it's hard to know what to do with it. I had this piece in my garage for quite some time and then a client requested it for a custom design piece. I started to strip all of the old varnish off the top to reveal this beautiful stripy appearance timber underneath. I discussed with the client and she decided that we were going to keep the top raw exposed timber, so I then grabbed out my orbital sander and kept sanding until I got all of the original varnish off and we had that exposed timber surface. I sanded the bottom of the feet off so that we could create a dipped look and leave these as exposed timber as well. I filled in all the damage on the top of the table because I didn't want these big deep cracks on there. I sanded off all the excess wood filler. And then I gave the whole piece a deep clean ready for painting. I masked up along this timber edge and then applied a little bit of top coat so that I could get a nice clean paint line. I applied a really good adhesion primer to the piece so that I could get a really strong, durable result. Then we chose the paint colour. This is a sage green colour that does have a fair bit of grey tones coming through. Once I finished painting, I removed the masking tape and then I mixed up a whitewash using some white paint and water just to create a nice whitewash so that I could lighten the timber. I ended up applying 2 coats of the whitewash over all of the timber to lighten it and remove that orange undertone. I did the same thing on all the drawer fronts and also on the feet. I applied a water-based clear polyacrylic on the top and I applied 5 coats of this for this particular piece. I installed some new hardware, I put it all back together again, and this is the end result. I mean, it's not everyone's style, but my client absolutely loved it and that's all that matters. I'd love to know your thoughts down in the comments. Do you like it or is it not for you? Thanks for watching and be sure to hit subscribe for more furniture flipping fun.